Also, if you're in Arab Street, you've got to visit Sabar Menanti. It's a Padang restaurant that's been going on for 80 years, third generations, and now it's been passed on to their son as well. And again, this is where, in Kampong Glam, where you had, the Bugis people, you've also got the Arabs people and the Malays, and then also you've got this influence of Padang that have come over as well. So here we have their Rendang, which they assure me is a Rendang from Padang. And it is much, much better than some of the other stuff we've had. Yeah, the flavors in there, just a lot stronger. And then you've got your Ikan Goreng here, which is your mackerel with calamansi. So obviously a bit of a hit, a bit of a signature on there. You got your Sambal ketchup down here as well, and your bawang. Really, really good too. The ketchup mayonnaise in there, and then the chili, the onion. And then you've also got Gulai Anaka. The Gulai Anaka is beautifully cooked. A little bit less coconut milk than some of the others, but still very nice. And then we have your Ayam Goreng, the Sambal hijau. Yeah, very tasty. You've got a little bit of kremes on there. And you've got your Sambal, probably maybe not as spicy as what we have in Indonesia, but it's still very good. And then you have Sambal Padang here. Put that on the fish. The Minangkabau people, in their tradition, have always been told when they're young children that at turning of manhood or of age, they're meant to leave Padang and go out into the world and explore. That's why you have so many Padang restaurants all around the world, especially in Singapore, Malaysia, etc., because they were told to leave, and some return home and some settle and marry and have families, like obviously this family have, and have settled here in Singapore in its third generation. So definitely for me, Arab Street has been probably one of the more interesting places that I've eaten. 4 or 5 different types of cuisines, all in walking distance of each other, and that just shows the melting pot of what Arab Street in Kampong Glam is.